Hello everyone, my name is Enoch, and this is just the continuation from where we ended in Rationalization Part 1. So we are going to start answering question 2, where they are saying rationalize the denominator. So we have been given the question 2a, which is 1 over square root of 5. So bear in mind to say that whenever you have been given the denominator having this variable a, having the side of this one, so take note to say that we don't put any sign. So to conjugate this value, I'm going to repeat this same value. So square root of 5, also square root of 5. So that is 1 times square root of 5, that is square root of 5. So you are multiplying now what is inside the bracket, what is inside the square root, they are what? They are similar. So what you are going to do is to get what is common, which is 5. So this is our final answer. We can also solve the next question. D. So we have been given x plus square root of y, x minus c, square root of y. So to conjugate the denominator simply means that we are changing this sign. After changing the sign, multiply that same conjugate with the numerator and the denominator. So that is x plus square root of y, x plus c, square root of y. So that is the entire thing is being multiplied with everything inside the bracket, that is x is being multiplied with x plus c, square root of y, that is plus c, square root of y, open brackets, xc plus c, square root of y, over, so even here, under the denominator, you are multiplying these variables with everything inside the brackets, so that is x multiplied by x plus square root of y, negative square root of y, x plus c, square root of y. So that is x times x, x square, x times square root of that, you are getting x is square root of y. That's and that, you are getting x square root of y. So now here, you are multiplying the square root of y with the square root of y. Now, what is inside the square root? They are what? They are similar. So, get what is common, which is plus what? Plus y. Over, you are dividing. So, x times x, x is square. X times the square root of y, that is plus x square root of y. This is negative square root of y times x. You are getting negative x square root of y. So now you reach at this stage. First deal with the what? The signs. That is positive, negative times positive, which is negative. What is under the what? The square root. They are what? They are similar. So we are going to write y. So here we are now going to correct what? Like terms. So here when you add, you are getting x square. I'm going to get this real part plus y plus x, that is 2x square root of what? Y. Over, that is square root x square. Here they are going to cancel each other. They are going to remain with x square minus y. So what you are going to do here now is just a matter of leaving it in the standard what? Form. The standard form of n what? N surd or whatever. So that is a plus square root of b. So this is the standard to which we are going to leave this kind of question. So we are having x square plus y over, that is x square minus y plus 2x square root of y over x square plus y. I mean that is negative minus y. So this is our final answer. So here we have the task where they are saying rationalizing the denominator. But before we go to the task, we have another example. So this is the final answer. Let's first deal with that example. That's when we're going to proceed. So we have been given our C to be 3 plus square root of 3 over square root of 7. So to conjugate, like I said, you have to note or bear in mind to say that we don't put any sign, just simply getting the way it is, multiply with the denominator and the numerator. So that is the square root of what? 7. We multiply with the numerator square root of 7. That simply means that you are multiplying this square root of 7 with the entire thing, that is square root of 7, 3 plus square root of 3 over. So under the denominator here, you have what is inside the square root. They are what? They are similar. So just write 7. So that is 7. So square root of 7 times 3, that is 3 square root of 7. So now you are multiplying. What is inside the brackets? They are what? Different. It is bringing us to this point. So you have to note this part. Always try to remember these concepts. So what you are going to do is that you are going to multiply what is inside the bracket. So that is 7 times 3, which is positive 21 over 7. So what you are going to do is that from here, this simply means that this is your what? Your final answer. And then to the other side of the board, we have the task which is saying rationalize the denominator. So what you are going to do, you are going to try solving this kind of question, and then if you find your solutions, you are going to WhatsApp me using this line, or you are going to send the solution in the comment section. So thank you so much. If you have found this video interesting, don't forget to click on the subscription button, also to like the video. By doing that, you are helping this video to spread to a greater number of people. Thank you so much.